All right, let's be honest. There's just something about a 357 Magnum revolver that hits different. Whether you're into home defense, range shooting, or just love the timeless feel of a wheel gun, the 357 Magnum is a straight-up classic that refuses to go out of style. But with so many options out there, how do you know which ones are actually worth your money? In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 best 357 Magnum revolvers you can get your hands on this year. We're talking power, precision, build quality, and yes, we're diving into those juicy details like trigger feel, recoil control, and price points. Whether you're a seasoned shooter or just revolver curious, this list has something for everyone. So grab your eye protection and let's chamber up, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which 357 Magnum deserves a spot in your safe, or maybe even on your hip. Let's get into it. All right, kicking things off at number 5, we've got the Taurus 66. Now don't let the budget-friendly price tag fool you. This revolver packs a serious punch. Coming in around $500 to $600, the Taurus 66 gives you a full-size revolver with a solid 7-round capacity. That's one extra shot compared to the usual 6, and when it comes to revolvers, that extra round is a nice little bonus. It's got a 4-inch barrel, decent weight for recoil control, and a surprisingly smooth double-action trigger for its price range. That combination of affordability and firepower makes it really appealing for both new gun owners and seasoned shooters looking for a dependable sidearm. What makes the Taurus 66 stand out is how much value it delivers without breaking the bank. It's built with an all-steel frame, has adjustable rear sights, and the rubber grips actually make it pretty comfortable to shoot, even for longer sessions at the range. You'll find that the recoil is totally manageable thanks to the weight and design, which helps shooters stay accurate and confident. It's a bit on the heavier side, so maybe not your first pick for concealed carry, but for home defense or range fun, it's a solid win that punches way above its price class. The finish is a little more utilitarian, nothing too flashy, but the performance is there, and that's what counts. It's reliable, it's accurate enough for defensive situations or target practice, and best of all, it's affordable. You can also find this revolver in different barrel lengths if you want something shorter or longer to fit your shooting style. If you're new to 357 Magnums or just looking for a dependable workhorse revolver, the Taurus 66 definitely deserves a spot on your radar. It might not be the flashiest wheel gun in the lineup, but it's one that delivers where it matters most. Next up at number 4, we've got the Kimber K6s, and this one's for the folks who want a sleek, modern revolver that's compact but still powerful. This thing is tiny, just a 2-inch barrel, but it still holds 6 rounds of 357 Magnum, which is rare in a revolver this size. Price-wise, you're looking at around $900 to $1,100, depending on the finish and features. It's a little spendy, but you're paying for premium design and materials. Kimber didn't cut corners on this one. The build quality is immediately noticeable the moment you pick it up. The K6 is all about concealed carry. It's got smooth edges, a snag-free profile, and a surprisingly crisp trigger for a revolver this compact. It's machined from stainless steel, giving it that sleek, polished look and enough heft to help tame those 357 recoil waves. It's also incredibly easy to operate. Seriously, the trigger pull is smooth as butter, and that makes a huge difference in high-stress scenarios. The internal components are precision engineered, giving it that tight lockup and consistent performance shot after shot. Whether you're carrying it daily or stashing it in a nightstand safe, the K6s is built to be ready when you need it. What's cool about the K6s is it kind of blends revolver tradition with a modern carry vibe. It's minimalist without sacrificing performance, and it's perfect for those who prefer a revolver as their everyday carry gun. Kimber also offers variations in grips and finishes, so you can customize your look or ergonomics depending on personal style and comfort. If you're someone who appreciates craftsmanship and wants serious stopping power in a discreet package, the K6s is definitely worth checking out. It's one of those revolvers that makes you feel a little more confident just having it on your side. Coming in hot at number 3 is the legendary Colt Python. This revolver is basically the Hollywood celebrity of 357 Magnums. It's iconic, it's gorgeous, and it's got performance to match. Colt brought the Python back a few years ago with modern updates, and it's better than ever. The new models usually run around $1,400 to $1,600, depending on barrel length and finish. It's a premium revolver in every sense of the word, and when you hold one, you instantly get why it's a fan favorite among revolver enthusiasts and collectors alike. So what makes the Python so special? For starters, the trigger is insanely smooth. It's one of the best double-action triggers out there, period. The Python also comes in multiple barrel lengths, 4.25 inches, 6 inches, and even 3 inches now. So you've got some solid versatility, whether you're aiming for carry, range, or display. And the finish? It's gorgeous. That mirror-like stainless steel gives it a high-end luxury feel. You'll honestly want to keep it in a glass case, but trust me, you'll also want to shoot it. It balances incredibly well in your hands, and when you line up the sights, the accuracy is on point, even with heavy 357 loads. It's not just pretty though. The Python is known for its accuracy and durability. It's built like a tank and can handle full house 357 loads all day long. The action is smooth as silk, and the overall fit and finish are just next level. Plus, it just feels good in your hands. Balanced, responsive, and ready to go. The recoil is manageable, thanks to the weight and ergonomics, and it makes you feel like you're in complete control with every shot. Whether you're a collector, a shooter, or both, the Colt Python lives up to its legendary name. It's the kind of revolver that turns heads at the range and becomes the centerpiece of any collection. All right, sliding into the number 2 spot is the Ruger GP100, an absolute beast of a revolver that's all about toughness. If you want something that'll eat 357 Magnum loads like candy and keep going for decades, the GP100 is your guy. You'll find it priced between $800 and $950, depending on the configuration, and honestly, it's worth every penny. It's the kind of revolver you buy once and keep for life. Seriously, it's that rugged and dependable. Whether you're a weekend shooter or someone who needs a serious home defense option, this one checks a ton of boxes. This revolver is built like a brick house, solid stainless steel, overbuilt frame, and beefy internals. That extra weight means less felt recoil, which makes shooting hot 357 loads actually enjoyable. And it comes in a bunch of barrel lengths, 3 inches, 4.2 inches, and 6 inches, so you can pick the one that fits your purpose. Whether it's for range days or home defense, the GP100 has you covered. You also get a wide variety of grip options from rubber to hardwood, and those grips do a great job of soaking up some of the recoil while keeping your hand comfortable over longer shooting sessions. What I love about the GP100 is how customizable it is. Swapping grips or sights is easy, and Ruger's known for their fantastic customer support. It's got that traditional revolver vibe, but with a rugged, modern edge. The trigger is a bit heavier out of the box, but it smooths out nicely with use, or you can upgrade it with aftermarket parts if you're into tinkering. It's the kind of revolver you can modify, personalize, and really make your own. If you're the type who values function, reliability, and a tank-like build, the GP100 will not let you down. It's a revolver that feels like it was made to handle anything you throw at it, and then some. And finally, coming in at number 1, the king of 357 Magnum revolvers in 2025 is the Smith & Wesson Model 686 Plus. This revolver is just chef's kiss. It blends everything you want in a wheel gun: performance, beauty, and extra capacity. Priced at around $900 to $1,100, it's not the cheapest, but it's worth every dime for what you're getting. From the first time you hold it, the 686 Plus gives off that premium vibe. Solid construction, smooth action, and a finish that practically gleams in the light. It's the kind of revolver that makes a strong first impression and continues to deliver. So the plus in the name? That means you get 7 rounds instead of 6. That extra round is a nice touch for both self-defense and extended shooting sessions. The 686 Plus comes in stainless steel with barrel lengths from 2.5 inches up to 6 inches. And that full underlug barrel helps manage recoil beautifully. You really feel the difference when you're running full power 357 loads. It stays on target better than most revolvers in its class. Plus, with options like rubber or wood grips, you can tailor it to fit your personal comfort and style. The trigger is light, crisp, and predictable. The sights are easy to acquire. The build quality, top tier. The cylinder lockup is tight. The action feels buttery smooth, and everything about this revolver screams precision. Whether you're an experienced shooter or someone diving into revolvers for the first time, the 686 Plus is one of those guns that makes you go, "Oh yeah, this is what it's supposed to feel like." It's equally suited for target shooting, home defense, or just being the crown jewel in your collection. If I had to pick one 357 Magnum revolver to own, this would be it, hands down. It's a modern classic that proves revolvers are far from outdated.